This video is a video from back when we lived on the off-grid property in 2016, and this is all about how we built a water tower out of an old hot tub and pumped the water to it, and then gravity fed the water down to the garden area, the barn for the animals, and over to the cabin where we had the common area for the kitchen. Welcome to Retro Off-Grid.
This is our water tower. It's made from an old junk hot tub that was just lying around the property. We raised it up on posts near the area outside the garden at the highest point so that we can gravity feed it down to the garden to the common area with nothing but a simple garden hose. And we fill the water tower with this hose attached to a gas-powered water pump.
Well, we're using the water pump to fill up this water tower here in the summer, but in the winter it's a completely different story.
In the winter we can't use the water pump because it will freeze, and so we haul up 5-gallon buckets full of water by hand.
So the water we get from the creek that goes into the water tower, it goes to watering our animals, washing our dishes, clothes, showers, any non-potable purposes. The water that we drink, we have to transport from a natural spring not too far away.
The pump works great. It only takes a few minutes to fill the tower.